Hello, my students. Thanks to participate in this activity. I hope you had fun. At this moment, I will explain the answers about assessment. So, in the first question, we learned vocabulary. So, good uses as full for affair. The above definition is, of course, is the letter B, fair word. Okay, excellent. And the second question said, match the term with the meaning. Okay, so you have to match the term with the meaning. So the meaning of hat is, yes, of course, is a small simple bonding usually consists of one room. Very good. The following is a bowl. What is the meaning of bowl? Yes, very good. It's a round container that is opened at the top and is deep enough to hold fruit and sugar. Excellent, very good. The last one is pillow. What is pillow? Yes, it's a rectangle cloth bag filled with soft material. Excellent. Wolf. What is the meaning of wolf? Yes, it's a wild animal of the dog family. Excellent, very good. And finally, what is the meaning of steal? Okay, it's a person who takes something with the permission of knowledge of the hour and keep it. Very good, excellent. The third question, the third question is about reading comprehension. What was the food of the horses in the stables? Okay, of course, remember the story. The food was fresh hay, oatmeal, and water. But even water, this option wasn't on the answer. Excellent, my dears. The following question is, how old was grandson? So remember, in the story, the old man lived with his grandson. But how old was he? The answer is B, 16 years old. Very good. And this is the final equation. So, the boy with the horse, or the boy and the horse, went to visit his parents? No, really. They want to visit the king. So this sentences is false. Very good, students. So I hope you had fun and you have learned. Thank you. See you soon.